Let's go to Sweden for the day. We have a car, thanks to our friend Andrea. So we took the Forsea ferry service from Helsingør, Denmark, which is about an hour drive from Copenhagen, which is where we stayed, parked the car on the ferry and made our way up to the lounge and viewing area, just in time to see the famous Kronborg Castle as we travelled across the Øresund Strait. 20 minutes later, we were in Helsingborg in Sweden. Welcome
to Sweden.
It took an hour driving north to arrive at Bjärekusten Nature Reserve, which is a stunning coastal area known for its dramatic cliffs, diverse flora and fauna, and breathtaking views of the Kattegat Sea. The nature reserve is managed by local conservation authorities, who work to preserve its unique ecosystems and promote sustainable tourism.
So I have all these little rock stacks everywhere. So many rocks. A bit hard to see with the focusing.
The reserve is characterized by unique geological formations, including rocky shores and sandy beaches, which provide a habitat for a variety of bird species and marine life. Visitors can enjoy numerous hiking trails that wind through the scenic landscape, offering opportunities to experience the region's natural beauty up close.
Here at Sweden off the coast, and there's all this amazing coral and seaweed. Yeah, very nice. So it's off the coast on the western side. Yeah, beautiful sunny day. Mel's in the distance there.
The nature reserve is home to a population of cows that play a crucial role in maintaining the landscape. These cows are often used for grazing, which helps preserve the open landscapes and biodiversity of the reserve. Grazing prevents overgrowth of shrubs and trees, ensuring that the meadows remain open and can support a variety of plant and animal species.
This is a bridge going from Sweden to Denmark. There's a train going underneath the bridge. And we are going to go all the way back to Denmark across the other side, which is way across the water, but halfway across the bridge stops at an artificial island and then goes through a tunnel underneath the ocean and back the rest of the way.
The Øresund Bridge, which connects Sweden to Denmark, takes 15 minutes by car and is 16 kilometres long, including a 4-kilometre tunnel section on the Danish side and an artificial island named Peberholm.